Mado. Bukuma pamina, bukuma pamina, bukuma pamina, pamina, pamina.
Well, party ranking alongside of the Kunle go.
Hey, baby, it's your day.
What's that?
Hey, pretty girl, you wanna break your back on the dance?
I'm loving.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me. Okay. I'm sorry. So it is your girl Nikki J. Today I want to make this video for a particular dance group from Ondo State. This dance group, they have started since, I think, they are almost 7 years now in the entertainment industry. They have members of their crew all over Nigeria, scattered almost everywhere in Nigeria. They have in the FCT, they have in Lagos State, they have in Ondo State here, which is their origin. They have in EQDC State, they have in Oyo State, they have in Edo State as well. So this group, the name of the crew is Earthquake Dance Crew. They shortened it to EQDC. This group are very, very, very good. They are very good. They've come a long way, though they have not been known by a lot of people, but they are good. So I feel the need to show the world what they can do. They've been trying, they've been doing this for a long time now. Right now I am going to play you one of their videos, and I want you to watch and enjoy the video. So please just enjoy and tell me what you think about them, because from today on, I think the captain of the group is going on a tour. He's going on a tour to each state where they have their members. He's going there to rehearse with the members, and at the end of the rehearsal, they are going to is going to perform with the best among the crew. Is going to do the performance, and I'll post the video here as well. He's going to perform with them. So the best among each of this crew, as in each member in each state, the best among them will be picked to perform with the captain in a particular show that is coming up by December. So this show will be coming up by December. I'll tell you more about it later, but right now I'm going to play the video. Please, I hope you stay, watch and enjoy, and tell me what you think about the crew. As far as I'm concerned, I think they are good, but I want you to also be the judge. They are very good dancers, and I think I'm going to try and learn from them, because
Malian, 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 Malian.
Coco dance, Coco dance, Coco dance, Coco dance,
Malian,
Coco dance.
Well, I'm not much of a dancer and I still want to learn, but I think they are very good. So please tell me what you think about these guys in the comment section, and please do like this video. And in case you're joining us for the first time, you're just here on this channel for the first time, please do subscribe, click on the notification button as well. Guys, thank you for joining me today. Thank you so much for being here today. Thanks so much, and I really do appreciate. I'll see you next time.
Everything I am, I'm singing hallelujah. More line to me, so okay. Every day, more Shafi, Baba.